everybody, I came home to a package at my door, and this is from the group swap over at Tamika's channel. I'll link her channel down below. She usually does, what is that? Group swaps, and that's the only group swap that I ever join in on anymore. So, yeah, I rarely do any swaps, period. I just have like a couple of friends that I swap with, and then I do this group swap once in a while. So, it is a shaped tag winter themed swap. I'm also going to show you these projects here too while I'm working on it. Actually, let me show you that first. Just some quick things that I've been doing. I made one card to go with the items that I showed you yesterday using that same paper that I showed you in that last video. These die cuts I got from Michael's like last year or maybe the year before. And then this die cut and this die cut, they're two different packs that I found at Tuesday Morning, and I'm not sure what the brand is. I know it's American Crafts, but I'm sure it had another name to it. And I just layered the paper on black cardstock, and this is 4x6. I wanted to keep it simple and then just do a little bit of layering, and then on the inside some more of the paper from that same, it's called Fireside, the paper pad. It's one of the hot buys from Michael's. So really quick and simple. I want to share it with you before I write in it. And then here I made like a little set here. I'm using the fleece fabric. I'm guessing it's like called fleece that I picked up at the pinkish one is from Walmart, I believe, but the white and the tealish blue I got at Joann's in the clearance bins, the fabric remnant bins, you know, and I really wanted to make a couple of stockings out of it. So the blue is on the back and the pink and then the white, and then I just hot glued the pieces together. I hand drew it and hot glued it all together because this is just like a quick little, like a treat bag is what I'm using it for. So I didn't want to get too complicated, although I could have turned it inside out and then put this on, you know, but it's just like a cute little treat bag, shabby chic colors. And then I made some bows with like all the little bits and pieces that I had left over and hot glued them in. And then I also made a couple of bow clips with the same material. And I show how to make these bows in, I think, the bow dangle tutorial that's in the Traveler's Notebook playlist, which is listed down below. And I just turned them into paper clips. So same method. And actually this one is where I actually fold it in instead of just doing one piece. And then I hot glued everything together and then just put it back in. And I actually hand cut all these pieces. I didn't use any dies or anything. So I just did like long strips, and then I hand cut the back to be like little tails. So that's pretty much my projects. That's all I've been doing so far. Alright, so let me go ahead and share with you the swap items from the group. I think I was group 1. Yeah, I was group number 1. And she's already been posting videos. Oh, this got a little mangled. And I can't remember. I think these might go together. I can't remember. Hold on. Okay. So, let's see. This is one. And, okay, this looks like this goes together. And then this one here might have been on here. I'm going to have to watch the video now. This has a little adhesive, so I think it goes like that. This kind of looks like it coordinates with this, so we'll just go with that. So I got 4 in. We made well, there's a group of 5, so we send out 4, I think. Yeah, and then I sent out 1 for Tamika, of course. So anyway, let's get started. I'm going to start with this one here. Oh, this is so cute. I do remember this one. I did watch that one video. I haven't watched all the videos, but this one here is from Crafting with a Smile, on YouTube, and on Instagram she's crafting with a smile as well. So she typed out her information into a cute like postage stamp shape. It's looking a little black on screen, but it's actually like a dark green in there, and it's a stitched die cut. And this is a really cute topper. It's scalloped, and then this part here like the handle, and really cute paper. And look at how cute this is. So she did a little arrangement up here with some like twine and a tiny little like a pine cone thing, a little candy, peppermint candy. She's got a trim over here, which is actually like one of those chenille stems, but it's just like a curly cute kind of thing. I've never seen that before. So, and I believe this goes with it. So this is, yeah, so it was called Christmas themed shaped gift tag swap. Actually, this one's from Measure Once Cut Twice, Lori. So they're not together. Okay. See, I'm confused. Maybe these went. Oh, I don't know. I'm confused. Let's just open this up and keep going. I just got home from work, okay? And this is so cute. Okay. So she made a little like pouch for her tag. And actually, her tag is like a little booklet. I remember that. It's like a die cut, and you can open it up. But look at how cute this is. The paper actually, okay, I thought that was stamped on there. It says have a cozy Christmas, but that's really cute. I love this die cut. Look at the teeny tiny gingerbread on there. So really cute. And then over here we have the tag. She's put on a tiny little dangle. Actually, there's my initial right there. So it's got my initial L, and this really cute die cut in the background with the reindeer. I love this little fabric that she used in the gray. And it opens up here. Oh, look at that. How in the world? So she's got like a, I don't know if that's a button or a brad back there that matches perfectly. A little bit of Velcro. And then inside is the to and from. And you can even put like a little message as well back here. This is really cute. I love this idea of the book. But this also, you know, these tags, instead of actually using them, we probably like to hang them on our trees and stuff. That's what I like to do sometimes. So really cute. Thank you. Put this back in here. Okay. And I will have to watch that video again so I know what's what, because I already forgot. And this is staples. Oh, okay. I guess I'm going to have to undo this. Oops. Oh, well. There's no going back. So this one is from Measure Once Cut Twice, who is Lori. Okay, so yeah, this one's separate. And she sent a pack of adhesive gems, so thank you so much. And oh, this is such a dainty topper here. But look at how pretty that is. And shabby chic. So she's got her handmade little, like, I guess it's a stamp, or maybe she printed it out. Oops. Who's this one from? This one's different. Okay. So let's open this up. Okay. Careful. This is so cute. So this one's a shaker. Oh, I forgot to show you these snowflakes. They have the little blings on them. This one's a shaker, and it's a scallop circle with a scene, and then there's a shaker, there's shaker stuff inside, and it says Merry Christmas. Really cute. I like the little house. That is so cute. And there's a snowflake there, and then here's my hanging, and then in the back is to and from, and that looks like it's maybe embossed, the to and from. Really, really cute. I'm not going to try to put that back in because I don't want to bend the letter. Okay, so then the next one, I'll put this over here. Let me get into this one, which is from Erica, who is Scrap Diva 29. And she's got, I mean, she even has an extra tag on the top. It says Merry and Bright. And look at how tiny that Merry and Bright die is. Oh my God. And on some really pretty glitter paper, the tree. And I love, she's got like a ton of dies, okay? She's constantly showing her new dies from Allie. So here's this really cute bow. I think they might call that the wedding bow. Her tag is in here, but I'm going to open, let's see, maybe not. Oh, she stitched this together. Okay, it's on lockdown. Okay, put you over here. So this paper looks like the one from Michael's, because I think I used that same one in TNs that I was selling. So she has trim on the bottom of this package here, and she has stitched it up. So I'm gonna have to cut into this and hope, I'm like feeling I don't want to cut into anything. Make sure that I don't cut through something that I shouldn't be cutting through. Woo. Okay. So inside, I don't have any of these. Yay! So she sent some flowers. These look like the Hobby Lobby poinsettias. A strand of Christmas beads, which I rarely have any like Christmas colored beads. A stamp with the line of Christmas trees. And that's it. So really cute bags. I've been meaning to do these, but without this sewing. So thank you so much, Erica. Get that in there. And I'm gonna try to keep like all this stuff out because I am in the midst of Christmas projects. So all right, so here's her tag. Let's see, open it over here. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh no, don't you dare try to come out. Come on. All right, I'm gonna get all this stuff in. So she sprinkled in some goodies, some shaker goodies in there. Oh, this is so cute. I love that paper. Look at my hand. This is so cute. So she die cut everything, I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, that's all layered and die cut. That is a very pretty sleigh. And then she used for like the trimming the glitter paper, and the same thing for the bows, and a cute little tree. And then there's a bell here, it says joy. And then she used that tinsel as her tie. And then there's the to and from. I love this die cut. So cute. All right. My stuff's gonna be everywhere now. That's definitely one to hang on the tree. So that one was from Erica. Let's see if I can get this off. Some sprinkles. Okay. Let's go to this one next. This one's heavy. Oh, okay. So I think this was on here because this looks like it's missing something. And this one is from Inspiring Beautiful Creations. Her name's Nisha. And she already has like an extra tag on. And there's the other tag in there. But this is really cute. I'm not sure what kind of, where she got that plastic snowflake. I don't think it's Dollar Tree, but it could be. But then she's layered it on top of another like snowflake shape. And like acetate in the background there. Really pretty. And then over here there's another snowflake. Really cute. And then she has her goodies in here and the actual tag, and it's tied. I think I could just slip this maybe. I'm just gonna cut it. There's a, because I can't find, how in the world did you do that? Looks like she just glued it here. That's where I'm gonna cut. It's really pretty, actually. I'm gonna save this little ribbon here, this silver ribbon. Oh, now I found it. Okay. Okay, so let me go. Oh, so cute. She did kind of like a little kit for goodies. Oh, I just tore that up. Here's a topper. It says goodies with a little bow. And I ripped the bag. Sorry. Okay, well. And some really pretty sequins. I love these colors. I'm definitely leaving this out to go with Santa Baby. Thank you so much. Some pigment ink, some glue sticks. Oh, these are cute. I love those colors, and they're glitter too. I'm gonna have to see how you use glue sticks. I mean, with the colors in it. Some glue dots, and then an embossed card with snowflakes. Really, really pretty. Thank you so much. And okay, sort of. Let me get to. I want to get this inside. There we go. And then her actual tag, which is not this one, is in here, which she used a pillow box to put it in, which is a great idea because it's going to keep it nice and flat. It's, you know, made out of cardboard. She's got a really pretty glittered filigree here and a bow that she did layered, and she's got her made by there. So this is taped, so I'm just gonna slip it out there. Okay, she put a couple of glue dots, and she had used, I remember now, she had used acetate as like the base, and then just did, oh my god, this is really pretty, this snowflake. She cut out the die, and actually it looks like maybe, yeah, so she used the negative part to make this one, and this was inside. So now I just saw that. How cool is that? And then here's another one. Oh man, this is really intricate, these snowflakes. So there's like 1, 2, 3, and then a 4th snowflake layered on top of each other, and then the word joy. Really cute. And then her to and from is actually on a separate little snowflake right here. I don't know if I think she wrote that by hand, which it's kind of hard to see, but in silver. Really, really pretty. You could actually just stick it on the back, but you might see it, so it's really pretty. Thank you so much. It's very, very pretty. I'm trying to get that back in there. Okay, so I'm not quite sure if this went together or not, but this goes with something, I'm sure. Let's just open. I don't remember. Might have gone with this one here if she did mention that it was loose, Tamika. And then there's this too, which I'll show you in a second, which might have gone with this, but I don't know. Oh, I like this. This is so pretty. Thank you so much. We have this bling here. Really pretty colors. And in here, again, I don't remember which one this came with. Could have been any one of them, is this really cute box with a reindeer. It kind of got mangled, but that's okay. And it's just a tiny little ornament. Yeah, I think it might have gone with this one. I don't know. So there's some crinkle in there. Oh, this is so cute. This is really cute. So she backed this, what looked like it might have just been an ornament, and she backed it onto a die cut to give it, you know, a backing. A teeny tiny bow here. Some, I don't know if that was on there already or if she put it on, but look at how cute that is. I love this little reindeer. This is so cute. So thank you so much for the person who sent that out and made that. So thank you all for everything, and again, Tamika for another awesome swap, and can't wait for the next one. Hopefully I can join in. I don't get to join in on all of them, but I try, because this again is the only group swap that I join. I don't go into other group swaps, and I don't swap with strangers. I just swap with a few people that I know once in a while. So yeah, I don't do that many swaps. But anyway, I do enjoy this one. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.